Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 17cw003ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 17cw003ns is getting so hot it burns to touch, you're not alone. This overheating issue can arise due to dust accumulation in the cooling system or failing thermal paste. If left unaddressed, it can lead to serious hardware damage and even data loss, making it essential to tackle this problem promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static electricity. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Start by removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be gentle with the screws, as they can be quite small. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the back panel off, being cautious not to break any clips. Now, locate the heat sink, which is usually situated near the CPU. This component is responsible for dissipating heat. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. Once you have clear access, remove the screw securing the heat sink and gently lift it off. You'll find the old thermal paste on the CPU. Carefully clean this off with a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste, about the size of a pea, to the center of the CPU. Now, reinstall the heat sink, ensuring it's seated properly, and tighten the screws securely. Be careful not to over-tighten as this can damage the components. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are firmly in place. Before closing the device, use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help improve airflow and cooling. Once everything is back in place, replace the back panel and reinsert the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent your laptop from overheating in the future, make it a habit to clean the vents regularly and ensure it's used on a flat, hard surface to allow proper airflow. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad for extra support. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.